Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Look, the past 2 days, the markets have bounced back from the lows, and it's mainly due to earnings now. Let's actually go to press this right here, and you can actually see right here. Look at this. They give you a little update on Robinhood, which I think is pretty cool. It says right here, stock rose after Goldman Sachs became the latest bank to report better than feared earnings, which is pretty good. I also heard that Bank of America reported better than expected. I also saw Netflix. Netflix actually did pretty good. Actually, you can actually see it over here when you scroll down over here. Netflix right here. Netflix could be even more volatile after future earnings thanks to this change. And if we actually look at the ticker Netflix right here, let's see. Let's look it up real quick. If I can type it in correctly. Look at that change. Look at that change. 14% up. I don't remember when this one was like way cheaper. Let's actually see what the lowest. Where was the lowest point? I think it was in the 160s. Oh, 160. It went from 160 to 270. So $100 in up since the lowest point in Netflix. They actually reported a pretty big subscriber growth. I don't remember the exact numbers. I think they were expecting only like 1 million, and they got more than a couple million. But don't quote me on that. I haven't really been paying attention. I've been working hard. I've been making my money, trying to get paid down my debt, cashing up. But the market has been going up, and I think it will continue to keep going up. I think earnings, like I said, I believe earnings will be better than expected. I think we won't see a earnings recession or whatever you guys been calling it, whatever the experts been saying. I don't think that that's going to happen for a while. I don't even think it will happen next quarter. I think it takes a little bit of time for that to actually come to fruition. But I do believe that this earnings, we might see a little bounce back into the market. Could it last? I don't know. I think maybe the next quarter's earnings will be worse than these earnings, but I'm no expert. I will still continue to stack up my cash to pay off my margin. That's the goal for me. Pay off debt, pay off debt, pay off debt. As long as it can continue to rise interest rates, continue increasing interest rates, I will continue to pay off my debt. Like I said, my goal to keep my debt. Something's wrong with this, but right now I have about $8,000 in margin. I want to get that down to under 6,000. That's the goal. And once I get closer, lower than 5,000, I probably will start buying again. But like I said, I have unexpected bills, so. But I'm gonna continue to put in those hours, continue working as many hours as possible, and I'll hopefully be able to pay it off maybe as fast as by the end of this year. I'll be able to get down to the $5,000 range. That's a goal. But look at that. I was saying Shopify won't go under $30, and after like a huge day rally, Shopify is still under $30, but it has gone from 24 to almost $30, 24 to $29, $5 change right there. Neo hasn't really moved that much, I don't believe. Neo's still down. I kind of want to see Neo go down to under $10. I would actually like to see that. As long as nothing horrible happens to the company, I think Neo will survive and thrive in China. But if it can go down to $9, I would definitely would like to pick up some shares to average down my cost basis. My cost basis is so high, $45. Need to get that down. Because I know my cost basis on Shopify is in the 60s. I need to get that down too. Whew, I really need to stack my cash up, man. I really need to make more money to average down a lot of my positions, because I would need to make 4 times my money, or 4x my money right now that I have, 12,700. I would need to 4x that to get back to where I was before, or even maybe 5x to get back to where I was before. So the one way that I can do it is by putting in a hell of a lot more money, and whenever the market does recover, most of these companies will go up a lot, so that will make my money multiply faster just by putting more money into the market. Average down. That's the goal. Like I said, I also have a bunch of potential opportunities. I actually would like to get some Bitcoin, a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of AMD, Tesla, some chip stocks like AMD, Nvidia, get some ETFs, QQQ, some VOO. I also would like to get some Fubo. I also want to get Microsoft. I don't think I have Microsoft on here. Do I? No, I don't. So I have to go add that real quick. See Microsoft right here. Add this to. There we go. That's some of these stocks I wanted to add to the portfolio. Continue to increase my position in ChargePoint, TTCF, PayPal. One of my cannabis plays, IAPR. Really love that one. I want to get into Meta, Amazon, and Microsoft. Apple, I don't even know what price Apple's at right now. I would like to see Apple down into the low 100s, but it just does not want to go down. We've seen 130s. I wanted to see it go down to 110s, 120s. The lowest point is 130s. Like, I would love to see it go down to the low 100s, but it might not go down that low unless it has a freaking crazy bad earnings. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much the little quick update. Portfolio was down to low 11,000, so almost back up to 13. It went all the way to as high as 13, I think, at one point. We need to keep depositing, keep paying down the debt, and after that is buy stocks as soon as possible. If the market continues to go down, buy stocks, and once it starts rallying up, I'll continue to buy stocks. I'll continue to buy stocks until the portfolio goes back up to about 40K. So I'm gonna continue buying until it hits 40K. So I have quite a bit of ways away of buying. Maybe rest of the end of this year will be paying off debt, and the rest of next year is just be buying as much as possible. And it's gonna take a little while, guys. It's gonna be a long journey to get back. May take a couple years. Might take 1-2 years to get back to $50,000-$60,000, depending on how fast the market recovers, and depends on how much money I can put into the market. But yeah, a little quick update for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.